Hello, Class 6 Sunday School students. Today we will go through Unit 4 of our Sunday School book, which focuses on My Church. And in this unit, we are going to study Chapter 16, which focuses on Church and the community in the early centuries. Purpose of this lesson. In this lesson, we are trying to understand the circumstances under which the church originated and started growing. Introduction. Christianity began as a small movement. When Jesus died, his immediate followers, perhaps numbered no more than 100, proclaimed the message of resurrected God. In the years after the crucifixion, these followers stayed close to Jerusalem and had success winning converts among Jews. So let us discuss social situation that influenced the origin and growth of church and Christian community. So we will be discussing 5 situations that influence and determine the growth of Christian community as a church. First point is political scenario. How did the political situation influence the growth of our community, especially in Jerusalem where Christianity was born? Jerusalem was under the control of Roman Empire then. People of different languages, different religions and cultural variation were held together under one banner by Roman emperors. Spread of Christianity was made lot easier by the efficiency of Roman Empire. Due to administrative efficiency of Romans, where they used modern communications and effective transport facilities, the followers of Christ were able to preach in some of the empire's most important cities. Moreover, there were also tens and thousands of poor people who were the perfect audience of Christian message of eternal life. All this stood to the advantage of the growth of early Christian church. Second point is intellectual scenario. Roman Empire was then dominated by Greek language and culture. Christian church came up with answers to many questions raised by Greek philosophers and also with sensible interpretation to their intellectual arguments which were found beneficial to scholars. Church expanded fast as Greek language dominated across the length and breadth of the empire. It was quite helpful that the preaching of disciples as well as the Gospels were in the Greek language. Third point for growth is religious scenario. During that time, blind and irrational belief was dominant in religions along with the cult of worshipping the emperor. Romans worshipped a large collection of God. Some of them borrowed from ancient Greek, and their capital was full of temples whereby sacrifices, rituals, and festival, the favor of these deities was sought. The people worshipped unknown gods and goddesses, but many were attracted to Christianity. Why? Because of the availability of specific answers to their thoughts, like eternal life, life after death, resurrection, and such other issues. Fourth point is social situation. In early centuries, wealth was given due importance. If a person have money, he have everything in life. People were becoming money minded. There were no good values in people. Truth, justice, and morality was totally ignored. There were no fear of God and empathy towards fellow human beings. In such a situation, Christian church which upheld virtues like truth, justice and morality was found a relief for many. It provided hope and peace to tens and thousands of poor and desperate people. This Christian philosophy was acceptable to intellectuals and ordinary people alike. We have come to the last point, which is the Jewish background. The Jews were under Roman rule. They were looking forward to the advent of a Messiah to save them from the foreign powers. So, according to their belief, One day there will arise a dynamic Jewish leader, a direct descendant of a Davidic dynasty, who will save them. The disciples showed the people that Jesus was indeed that Messiah. The uncompromising worship life of Jews, including their synagogue prayers, faith in one God, sense of morality, and regular reading of Holy Book, were all helpful for the Christian church to grow. Thus, it is clear that the Greco Roman influence as well as the Jewish culture served as a fertile soil for the growth of our early church. In conclusion, I would like to say that Roman Empire did not become Christianized overnight. Roman religious belief changed over the time. Christians were occasionally persecuted, punished for their belief during the first 2 centuries. Christianity was deeply influenced by both Judaism and Roman cultural institution. The appeal of Christianity to many early converts was the promise of an afterlife. The burial rite and the safekeeping of the tomb for early church Christians was important because it was believed that the soul would rise to heaven just as Jesus had done during resurrection. The doctrine of humility and compassion found a receptive audience among the intellectuals, poor, and the oppressed. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.